What if I told you that one of the biggest compromises in van life has finally been solved? For years, camper vans have forced travelers to choose between compact size and comfortable living. But the Grand Design Lineage LVT1 challenges that idea with something almost unheard of in this segment: a truly spacious bathroom inside a van that's still easy to drive, easy to park, and built for serious adventure. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Lineage LVT1 to find out whether this luxury camper van is just another premium build or one of the smartest and most practical Class B motorhomes on the road today.
Exterior design and performance. Built on the Ford Transit Trail 350 AWD chassis, the Lineage LVT1 immediately looks ready for more than campground duty. Its aggressive stance comes from the Van Compass Stage 3 Topo 2.0 lift system paired with BFGoodrich all-terrain tires, giving this van the confidence to explore rough roads, remote campsites, and off-grid destinations that many traditional RVs would avoid. Power comes from Ford's proven 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, producing 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, delivering strong acceleration and effortless highway cruising even when fully loaded for travel. At just under 21 feet long, the LVT1 remains surprisingly maneuverable for city driving and tight campground spaces, while features like the 11.5-foot Girard armless awning, steel running boards, rear storage deck, spare tire carrier, Starlink prep, and powerful rotating front light bar add real-world functionality for extended adventures. This is a van designed to go beyond the pavement, while still offering the convenience of a daily driver.
Interior living space. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how intelligently the space has been designed. The high roof configuration and 6-foot 9-inch interior height create an open environment that feels larger than the exterior dimensions suggest. The front seats integrate seamlessly into the living area, maximizing every square inch available. Rather than relying on flashy design gimmicks, the Lineage focuses on practical usability. Storage is thoughtfully distributed throughout the cabin, ensuring travel essentials remain organized and accessible during long journeys. Whether you're working remotely, relaxing after a day of exploration, or simply waiting out bad weather, the layout creates a comfortable environment without making the van feel crowded. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. This is where the Lineage LVT1 truly separates itself from many competitors. The Galley is designed around efficiency and functionality, featuring an undermount sink, multi-purpose cutting board, and a hidden Induction cooktop that preserves valuable countertop space when not in use. For travelers who actually cook on the road, this creates a much more practical workspace than traditional compact van kitchens. Moving toward the rear, the 54 by 80-inch flip-up Murphy bed provides a comfortable sleeping area, while allowing the space beneath to remain useful during the day. The exterior side bump-outs help maximize sleeping length without increasing the van's overall footprint. But the star of the show is undoubtedly the bathroom. Grand Design's Euro-style convertible wet bath transforms the available space in a way that feels remarkably efficient. The rainfall shower experience is far beyond what most travelers expect in a Class B camper, and the remote flush cassette toilet helps keep the area functional without permanently consuming valuable floor space. For travelers who prioritize comfort on extended trips, this bathroom design is one of the most compelling features of the entire vehicle. Off-grid systems and technology. The Lineage LVT1 is built with serious off-grid capability in mind. At the heart of the system is an 8,448 watt-hour Lithionics battery paired with a 3,000-watt Lithionics inverter, providing substantial power reserves for extended travel away from hookups. Supporting the system are dual 180-watt Merlin solar panels managed through a Victron charge controller, helping replenish energy throughout the day. Climate control is handled by a powerful 20,000 BTU SDG air conditioning system, along with an Eberspacher Airtronic gasoline heater, allowing comfortable travel across a wide range of climates.
Tank heating pads extend usability during colder conditions, while the Firefly Integration's touchscreen command center brings control of key vehicle systems into a single user-friendly interface that can also be accessed through Bluetooth and mobile app connectivity. Combined with the Nomadic bidirectional DC-to-DC charging system, the technology package is designed to keep travelers comfortable, connected, and self-sufficient, wherever the road leads.
The Grand Design Lineage LVT1 successfully blends luxury, practicality, and genuine adventure capability into a compact package that feels purpose-built for modern travelers. Its standout bathroom design solves one of the biggest compromises traditionally associated with van life, while the robust off-grid systems and AWD platform expand where and how you can travel. This isn't simply a camper van designed for weekend getaways. It's a vehicle built for extended exploration, remote camping, and full-time travel lifestyles. For couples, adventure seekers, remote workers, and travelers who want premium comfort without moving into a much larger motorhome, the Lineage LVT1 stands out as one of the most compelling Class B camper vans currently available. What do you think about the Grand Design Lineage LVT1? Does the oversized bathroom make this one of the best camper vans on the market, or would you choose a different layout for your adventures? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more in-depth RV, motorhome, and expedition vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.